I'm gonna give this random guy his car. We need to take the FD to Mega Mall for the Subturat meet. So I'm going to give this random guy, random, his car. Oh, it's the red one. So Mike isn't feeling very well, and we need to take the FD to Mega Mall for the Subturat meet. So I'm driving the FD for now. It's just a short drive. It's really hot outside. It's like 40 degrees out. And this is a really tight piece of road. And driving on the right hand side of the road is really strange on public roads. Even more so than it is at the track, which wasn't that bad actually. So Mike's up front in my Skoda. He just did the MOT today. The car's all good. This car doesn't like going in first, that's for sure. It only likes being revved out to the maximum. As you probably saw in our recent track day vlog, it can hit the 160 kilometers an hour in third gear, topping out in third. Obviously it smells like gasoline, like premix in here, which is nice, but it's not amazing when there are 40 degrees outside. Just going back out on the boulevard now. This is the second time I'm driving the car this year. I want to say I'm happy about it. Finally, second gear. Just brought Mike Toretto's FD RX-7 from the Fast and Furious. But more about that later. Yep. Currently I think it's the only functioning RX-7 in Romania. The only functioning FD RX-7 in Romania. Andrei's car should be ready in about a month from now. Everything is a big pothole in this car. Ambreiajul e foarte moale la început, știi, nu? Filming you, filming me. So, how did it do with the MOT? Decent. crowded because it's Friday night, but all the cars should be leaving soon, and we should be able to put our RX-7 inside. Lights off, lights on. We're gonna have the RX-7 inside the mall for the next week because there's a Rotary meeting going on, and yeah, I'm about to drive the car inside the mall. that.